Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable OTG on Android on the go adapter option. So if you have a USB drive or USB flash drive that you want to connect to your phone, it's very easy. Just use the OTG dongle first, or if your flash drive have a built-in OTG, you can connect it to the a part of your phone. Usually the OTG is type C. You can connect it directly, and automatically if you have a newer Android or the latest Android version, you don't need to do anything to enable OTG. Your phone automatically read your flash drive. But if you have a older phone like me, you have to enable OTG manually, or your OTG will be automatically read by your phone, but there is some tweak, there is some option that you need to do first. For example, you can go to the settings and type the OTG here, OTG connection additional settings. Here you can tap it. So if you turn this on, automatically turn off when not in use for 10 minutes. So as you can see, the connection will cut off when not in use for several minutes. If you turn this off, the OTG connection will still turn on, and you can use it anytime. So there is another option maybe in your phone about this OTG. You can tweak it, you can adjust it. Just type OTG in your settings, in your mobile phone settings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe as well as button below. See you in the next video.